All right. Hi, this is Dr. Skladany again. This particular video is going to go over some of the membranes and ligaments of the larynx. All right. Remember, the membranes and ligaments of the larynx are also classified as intrinsic or extrinsic. Extrinsic means some portion of them lies outside of the larynx. Intrinsic means that they lie completely inside the larynx. All right, let me just start off, just rotate this a little bit. All right. This does not show this one particular ligament because the tongue is not present. But let's start with most superior and go to most inferior. You have a median and two lateral glossoepiglottic ligaments. One median and two lateral glosso, meaning tongue, epiglottic ligaments. And these are the ligaments that are covered by mucous membrane, and they're called folds. Median and lateral glossoepiglottic folds. And these make up the vallecular space, which is not shown here. I'll try and come back to that, however. All right. Next, you have the thyrohyoid or hyothyroid membrane, which is the membrane between the hyoid bone and the thyroid cartilage. All right. Now, when this membrane thickens, you have the median thyrohyoid ligament, and you have two lateral thyrohyoid ligaments. All right. That is an extrinsic membrane and extrinsic ligaments. All right. Another extrinsic ligament is down here, and it is the cricotracheal ligament. All right. Cricotracheal ligament connects the cricoid cartilage with the first tracheal ring. Also an extrinsic membrane. And just remember that the cricotracheal membrane also is an extrinsic membrane, and the membrane is, the ligament is a thickening of this membrane. All right, so those are some of the extrinsic membranes / ligaments that I wanted to talk about. Now let's talk about some intrinsic. All right, this first one here is the cricothyroid membrane, and the cricothyroid membrane connects the cricoid cartilage with the thyroid cartilage. And in this area here, there's a thickening, and it is known as the median cricothyroid ligament. All right, let's turn. All right, another intrinsic ligament is this ligament right there. And this is the vocal ligament. All right, and the vocal ligament attaches at the thyroid cartilage and it attaches into the vocal process, of the arytenoid cartilage that you see here. And remember, it makes up, this vocal ligament makes up the medial margins or the edges of the vocal folds. All right. Here you have posterior cricoarytenoid ligaments. Posterior cricoarytenoid ligaments, and essentially they stabilize the cricoarytenoid joint that's there. That's an intrinsic ligament. Next, posterior serratocricoid ligament. That's a ligament that stabilizes this cricothyroid joint. You have a posterior serratocricoid ligament, and you have a lateral serratocricoid ligament. All right, here's the lateral serratocricoid ligament. Here's the posterior serratocricoid ligament. That's about it. All right, that's about what you need to know, or intrinsic versus extrinsic, and being able to name some of the membranes and ligaments associated with the larynx. That's it. Thanks.